Helo, fy enw I yw Hugo, a dwi'n Disgybl Lefel A yn Ysgol Pedr. Hi, my name is Hugo, and I'm a Year 13 student in Ysgol Pedr. Defnyddiais Carlam am y tro cyntaf yn yr haf cyn fy arholiadau tygau, a roedd yn ddefnyddiol o'r dechrau. I used Carlam for the first time in the summer before my GCSE exams, and from the very beginning it was clear what a useful resource it was going to prove to be. I have since used Carlam extensively before every major set of exams, and each and every time it has proven itself superior to other online resources that are currently available. It's quite often that I'll be doing a past paper, or sometimes even panicking in the exam hall itself, and come across a question that, without having used Carlam, it's unlikely I would have been able to answer. But what did make Carlam quite so useful for me? Well, am un peth, roedd y fideos o cyfarfodydd wedi didoli gan uned, oedd yn gwneud darganfod y gwybodaeth oeddwn ni eisiau yn hawdd iawn. For one thing, the videos of the meetings were sorted by unit, which made finding the relevant information extremely fast, particularly for the science subjects like chemistry and physics. Many similar revision resources have mixed content, making locating the misunderstandings I most wanted to address more difficult. Being able to type in Carlam Cymru into the search bar, and within about 3 clicks navigate to exactly the video that I wanted made it much more accessible, many times making it the easiest way to reach the information I wanted to. Am peth arall, roedden nhw'n hawdd I gael mynediad I ar ôl y cyfarfod greiddiol, ac roedd hynny'n rhywbeth bwysig iawn I mi, oherwydd roedd amserlen y cyfarfodydd greiddiol am ond yn clasio gyda pethau arall roedden ni'n gwneud. The fact that the meetings were recorded after the original meeting had taken place was also really important for me, as my timetable often clashed with that of Carlam. This meant that I didn't need to worry about clearing my schedule for a specific meeting, which again is very different to other resources that are currently available. The format of the videos as a no-nonsense, simple recording of a Teams meeting was also ideal for what I wanted, as lots of, for example, YouTube videos, which claim to offer the same information, are over-edited, making it difficult to find what you want from them. Carlam's simple recorded nature was quick and easy to jump into at almost any point, without being distracted by confusing visuals. Roeddwn hefyd yn gwerthfawrogi rhyddid Carlam o ran dim gwthio'r gwyliwr I creu cyfrif. Oedd unrhyw un yn gallu cael mynediad i'r adnoddau yn hawdd iawn. I really appreciated the freedom Carlam had with regards to not forcing the user to create an account. It would have been an extra effort to have to make a separate account with a different username and password to remember, and having to log into that every time I wanted to remind myself of some fact or other. Mae'r proffesiynoldeb o trefnwr hefyd yn rhywbeth sy'n gwneud Carlam I serenu. Mae cael athrawon sy'n gwybod eu pwnc yn rili dda yn helpu rhoi hyder, oherwydd rydych yn gallu ymddiried yn beth maen nhw'n dweud. The professionalism of those running the meetings also contributes to the success of Carlam. The teachers who are running the meetings are clearly extremely knowledgeable in their subjects, and it gives confidence to the viewer when they are presenting something difficult. I knew that whenever I was watching a difficult topic being explained, I was watching someone who I could trust in their explanations, making it very easy to slot in whatever new facts they were presenting. Fodd bynnag, I mi, prif cryfder Carlam oedd ei hyblygrwydd. Carlam's flexibility and specificity was its main attraction for me. Even if there was only a very small gap in my knowledge, if I was able to recognise that, then I could rapidly and efficiently find a Carlam video with pertinent information that addressed my questions perfectly. The fact that it is specific to the WJC exam board was the cherry on the cake. So many websites and other revision guides focus on the English exam boards, meaning that not only do you have to actually learn the subject content, but you also have to filter out what may not be on the course specification for that exam. With Carlam Cymru, I knew that everything that was discussed in a video was relevant to my exams and could add whatever facts I didn't know straight into my subject knowledge. I gloi, mae Carlam Cymru wedi bod yn help enfawr wrth I mi paratoi am fy arholiadau, a dwi'n siŵr fyddwn ni wedi cael lot mwy trafferth yn adolygu hebddo fe. Carlam Cymru has been a massive assistance to me while preparing for my exams, and I'm sure that my revision would have been a lot more challenging without it. Diolch.